If a Dane ever comes up to you and tells you they've shaved a goat, what are they trying to say? Don't worry, it's not a weird sex thing. The thing is, Danish has a ton of sayings and expressions that reference various farm animals. Why? Well, for a long time, Denmark was just this small agrarian country where most people worked on farms. So animals like cows, pigs, horses, and goats were a huge part of life here, and that snuck into the language over time. So here are the 5 weirdest and funniest animal-related sayings in Danish. A Dane might tell you, der ingen ko på isen, which literally translates to there is no cow on the ice. If you ever hear that, it's not about actual cows, it just means there's no problem. Everything is great. I can only assume that having a cow out on the ice used to be a problem, though I'm not sure if it was mostly a problem for the cow or for the farmer. Probably both. If someone is really lucky, you can call them svineheldig in Danish, which means swine lucky. This is kind of ironic because even though there are nearly twice as many pigs as people in Denmark, I wouldn't exactly call them lucky because they are pretty much all destined to become bacon very soon. A Dane might tell you, klap lige hesten or pat the horse, even if there isn't a single horse for miles around. Don't be confused, it just means they want you to wait or chill out. In Denmark, you can do someone en bjørnetjeneste. In Danish, bjørn means bear and tjeneste is a favor, so this translates as doing someone a bear favor. What does that mean? Good question, because it can mean 2 completely opposite things. The word comes from an old fable by La Fontaine where a bear tries to shoo a fly away from his human friend by throwing a big rock at it and ends up killing his friend. So a bear favor used to be trying to help someone but actually end up harming them. But then the meaning changed, so now it's often used to say that you've done someone a really big favor, because bears are big, I guess. So if you hear someone using that word, you'll just have to try to guess what they actually mean from context. Danish is not confusing at all. But here's my favorite animal-related saying in Danish. A Dane might say, så den ged barberet, which translates to there, that goat has been shaved. And this used to confuse the hell out of me. I mean, what did the goat do and why are you shaving it? Fortunately, no goats are involved. You say this when you've solved a complicated problem or fixed some kind of issue. Like, I had a problem with my computer, but I found the answer online and now that goat's been shaved. What's the funniest or weirdest animal-related saying you know? Write a comment. If you want more weird and funny facts about Denmark and Danish culture, come to my comedy show, How to Become Danish in 1 hour. It's in English and you can get your tickets at becomedanish.com. See you there.